this is what we're going to draw. Okay, we're going to start with two like brackets like that, and then we're going to draw kind of the top of the eyebrows like that going off that bracket, and then you want the eyes to be kind of semicircles, and these want to be the same size obviously, and then we're going to have the eyeballs in there like that, and they're not complete circles, there's a little bite taken out of them, and that gives you the shininess of the eyes. And we can just make them look a little bit kind of shaded by putting a little bit of shading in there, and that kind of brings the eyebrows in a little more. Now we also want to add a bit more into there, a little kind of darkness in there and a little bit up there as well, just to give that real sort of feline cat look. And then here we're going to have the nose, and let's do a little bit like that, and then we can kind of bring it down like that, and again fill that in. Hey, you obviously love drawing, so click the subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell. It helps this channel to grow, and you'll know when my next video goes live. Thank you very much. Now we have a line underneath here, and the length of that line really does make a difference to the expression of the character of the lion we're drawing. And then we want to come down and up like that. And we can have a little bit of the mouth sort of open like that there, and then we can bring the chin coming down there with a little bit of fur underneath it. And starting round about here, we can draw two more kind of brackets like that, and then we'll put a few little dots in there for where the whiskers sprout out from. And then you want to come up to about there, and then we're going to want to have some fur coming down there, and then we can come and draw the ears like that. And again, we want those to be pretty much the same size, and we're going to draw kind of fur inside that part there. We're going to want to have kind of a furry line coming down to there, and then another furry line coming down to there. And then we want to draw the mane, so this is kind of a zigzaggy kind of line that we want to draw around here, and because this is kind of a graphic image of just the head, we'll kind of make it sort of simple like that. And then we want a few more bits of sort of furriness coming out on each side like that. We can maybe add a few whiskers on each side, and maybe a little bit of something just underneath the eyes there too. We can add a bit more kind of shadedness by adding some more kind of fur lines and sort of shade lines into the fur line angles, if you follow what I mean. You know, the fur is flowing in a certain way, so we want the shade to sort of flow with it. And we'll have maybe a bit more coming out there, and also maybe we could add a bit more sort of shade down underneath there too, and in there. And this is really difficult because once you start doing this, it's very easy to do too much. I'm just going to come up into the ears a little bit, and again I'm just going to sort of draw into the angle of the fur and try and add a bit more sort of shade in the ears. And I feel I ought to just do a little bit more in the chin there, and maybe a little bit underneath it, and that is it. I am not going to touch it anymore. Thank you for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.